guys, it's Yonier, and welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're playing Pet Show, and my pet is found in this part. So the theme is pirate. Yeah, pirate. Let's name this alien parrot. Comfort. Alien pirate. So yeah, it's recording. It is appearing. Just pick this body type. There's something wrong with this pet. Okay, that's kind of weird. Ooh, that with a big eyeball. Just a big eyeball. Just a big eyeball. I give it a big eyeball. Just a big eyeball. With some wings, so that will be nice. Tiny wings. Okay. What next? We have 39 seconds left. Let's jump our way through. Let's pick our body type. The blue one. What's happening to you? You got all smoke and stuff. Okay, that's a little bit weird. Can you please stop smoking? 10 seconds. Come on, get this body type. It won't happen. Okay, this is my look. Look, it's dancing in a weird way. Okay. The map is shipwreck. Okay. With the pirate noise. Let's give this person a 3. Good work. Why did I not think of that? Eye patch, I totally forgot. Maya is next. Mia. Ooh, cool. The same one. Why everybody has eye patch? Okay. Madison is next. Let's see what her pet's outfit is. Captain! Ooh, that's nice. I'll give it a 4. Oh, it's me. This is my pet. Alien. Dorian is next. Mario. Dorian is fed on the stage. That's not a pirate, so sorry. It's like a pirate. I'll give it a 2, perhaps. Sorry, girl. Landa Mellows next. Oh, that's cool. Oh, a blue team with bubbles. That's cool. Dark Wolf is next. Okay. Moose. Oh yeah, there's a new cow update. Why? Moo-ah. 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 Who will win? The scores. Drum roll, please. Moose. Oh wow. Let's see what place. I got last place. Yeah, it was not the best. Well, This is the rarest pet. This is the rarest pet. The panda tweet. The panda. I don't want a boat. The panda chick. The panda chick. The panda chick. I'm so lucky. This is the rarest pet. The panda chick. You have 5 minutes to design your pet. 3, 2, 1. Another planet. Ah, sorry guys, I got the alien for no. I don't want sped. No, stop it. Stop asking me to buy one. Sorry guys, I bought the alien for the wrong one. No, I'm sorry guys. Okay. Let's pick this one. No! Everybody's picking that crown over there. So I'm not picking this crown. You're the king. Ooh, then what is this? Oh, it's a bubble. Cool. Now we need a green skirt. A green skirt. Oh, what is this? Whoa! Come on! Oh, there's a donut right here! A big donut! Okay, it's like a coral reef with a donut. That's nice, I guess. Angelina. Where did she get that skirt from? I want to find that skirt. There's a blue skirt right here, but I need the green skirt, guys. The green skirt. There's no skirt in here. Is the skirt in VIP? Let's take a sneak peek. Now, where's the dress? Oh my gosh, I'm wasting time right now. You know what? Let's pick that dress, the blue dress. This one. Yes, let's just pick the blue dress. Stop it! Okay, I think that's too much. Let's remove the bubble. Now we should give him wings. Oh yes. Look at mine, everyone. Look at mine. Look at mine. Cool pet. This girl is not even trying. I'm sorry. Let's give him a mouth. Come on. 1 minute left. What kind of tongue should I give him? I don't know. A blue tongue? A pink tongue? Sure. A pink tongue. Okay. A pink tongue. Okay. Next. What is this person? That's evil. Ah! I don't have any time. I need to decorate my pet's body. What kind of... but I like it in this way. But I want to change it. No! Not the skirt! Oh my gosh! 14 seconds left. Why? Okay, Yona. You know what? I'm gonna pick this skirt. No! Why? Why always? Why? I'm sad now. This person kind of copied these wings. I like the rainbow wings. Sorry, guys. I choose the alien for the wrong one. It's my next. Sorry, but it's like a new pet. It even has the alien noise. Oh, thank you, Doreen. Next. Oh, that's so cute. I like it when it dances. Blend the metal. Nice. Oh, that's scary. When do people find this skirt when it's not on the thing? Why? Okay, after this round, we're gonna end the video. It's dancing. I can't even equip. My pet's name is Dot. What's that? No. It has a panda closing its eyes. Good. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. So if you